Hey everyone, so I will continue with the problem 2. So that problem 2 says that we have a quality control unit of a voltmeter manufacturing company. So that John, he takes 25 voltmeters at random for sample 1. He does it again for sample 2, 3 until he has 30 samples. Then he finds out that the grand average is 12.132 volts and the standard deviation is 0.432 volts. So the question is that what is the population standard deviation? So let's go here, and then we have a population of voltmeters. So that John selects the sample 1, and then he goes with sample 2, and then he goes with sample 3 and up to sample 30, and each sample contains 25 voltmeters. So 25 voltmeters, and here we have 25 voltmeters, and here we have 25 voltmeters. If you remember from our previous lecture, so he needs to find the average for this one, the average for this one, and the average for this one, and then the average of this one. And then from these averages he needs to find the grand average. So the result says that the grand average is 12.132 volts. So this one is approximately the population average. And then he also finds the standard deviation of these samples is 0. So standard deviation of the sample average is 0.432 volts. This one is not approximately, this one is exactly. So then the question says that determine, so this one should be exactly, sorry for that. So determine the population standard deviation. So if you remember the population standard deviation, we said it, so let me just put the formula other way around. This one was approximately equal to the population standard deviation divided by the square root of n. Okay, so in our case the n value is, so n value is 25, so we have each sample contains 25, so n is number of the items in your sample. So in one sample there are 25 voltmeters, the n is 25. And then this one we know, just to find the sigma x, so you will just need to multiply 0.432 with the square root of 25, sorry. Okay, if you do that, so it will be 2.16, so 2.16 volts. This one is actually approximately, not exactly equal. Okay, the standard deviation of the population is 2.16 volts. Okay, this is the final result for this problem. So we have problem 3. I will move on to problem 3 and then it will be in the next recording.